Does your child forget what they just study? Do they struggle to focus even though you know they are smart? As a mother, nothing feels more frustrating than watching your child's potential slip away through the cracks, especially when you've tried everything from private coaching to expensive supplements and nothing truly works. Hi, I'm Salila, a generational Ayurveda practitioner based in sunny California. And today, I want to share something every mother deserves to know. Your child's memory and concentration can be trained naturally, gently, and effectively through Ayurveda. In Ayurveda, this is called as Medhavritti, the enhancement of intelligence and grasping powers. And it's not about stuffing the brain with more information. It's about nourishing the brain, balancing the body, and calming the mind so that memory becomes effortless and learning becomes joyful. In this video, we'll talk about how memory actually works, why kids lose focus in the first place, and the Ayurvedic daily and weekly routine I recommend to help your child build sharper memory, better concentration, starting right at home. Let's first understand how memory works. From a scientific point of view, memory isn't just one thing. It's a process that involves attention, storage, and recall. Three powerful parts of the brain work together to shape your child's ability to grasp concepts, retain information, and then express it creatively with confidence. The hippocampus, a small part of your brain with a big job, acts like a memory library, storing and organizing information so it can be recalled later, from school lessons to life experiences. The prefrontal cortex is like the brain's control center, responsible for focus, planning, and decision making, helping your child stay on task without getting distracted. And the amygdala is the emotional connector, attaching feelings to memories, which is why certain moments that are mingled with powerful emotions are more vivid and easier to remember. When these three areas are healthy and well nourished, your child's memory, attention span, and learning capacity thrive naturally. But here's what's often missed. For these brain parts to function at their best, your child needs deep rest, strong digestion, balanced hormones, and a calm nervous system. That's where Ayurveda offers something modern science is only beginning to understand. In Ayurveda, memory is called as Smriti, and it depends on the health of three pillars: Sattva, which is clarity of mind; Medha, which is sharpness of intellect; and Ojas, which is the essence of vitality and immunity. If digestion is weak or the nervous system is overstimulated, toxins called ama begin to accumulate. This slows down the processing, disturbs sleep, and clouds memory. So in Ayurveda, boosting memory isn't just about the brain, it's about calming the whole system and strengthening the body-mind connection. And that's exactly what I help families do through gentle, sustainable, everyday habits. Let's start with the daily routine. When followed consistently, even the simplest steps can make a remarkable difference. In the morning, between 6 and 8 a.m., we want to activate the brain naturally with breakfast. Give 1 teaspoon of Brahmi ghee. Brahmi herb extracted in highest quality A2 ghee with some warm milk or water. Ghee has butyric acid that literally feeds the brain tissue. And Brahmi ghee, a classical Ayurvedic preparation, contains Brahmi, a herb known for enhancing memory, calming the nervous system, and improving grasping power. The ghee acts as a courier or a yoga vagi, delivering these nutrients directly to the brain cells. For breakfast, keep the food warm, freshly cooked, and comforting. Add a small spoon of cow's ghee to complex carbs like rice, bread, or porridge. Ghee is a brain tonic. It strengthens digestion. So essential nutrients like DHA and fat-soluble vitamins are fully absorbed. Alongside breakfast, offer seasonal fruit, mango, apple, orange, or if available, blueberries. Antioxidants in these fruit protect the brain cells from oxidative stress, a hidden reason children lose focus. Blueberries in particular are excellent for supporting the hippocampus, the brain's learning and memory center. Indian purple jamun is a great alternative. In the evening, during sunset hours, bring in a short breathing practice as you wind down for the evening, dinner, and family time. If your child is old enough, try 5 rounds of Anuloma Viloma or gentle alternate nostril breathing. For children under 7, do 3 rounds of Bhramari Pranayama, followed by 2 minutes of Om chanting. These practices balance the nervous system, increase oxygen to the brain, and promote deep mental clarity. After dinner, spend time with your child, talking about all the good things that happen to them during the day, helping them organize their thoughts and experiences. This helps them tremendously to feel safe, protected, and loved. Children who feel safe and loved learn and retain best. An hour before bedtime, prepare a cup of warm milk with a quarter teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of nutmeg and poppy seeds. Turmeric gently detoxes the brain, while nutmeg and poppy seeds calm the nervous system and helps the mind slip into restorative sleep. And speaking of sleep, it is the brain's repair time. Turn off all screens at least 30 minutes before bed, dim the lights, and create a calm environment. Aim for lights out by 9:30 p.m. because in Ayurveda, the 4 hours around midnight are when the brain repairs itself most deeply. Skipping this window regularly can lead to long-term mental dullness. As much as possible, practice Abhyanga daily oil massage for the nervous system. Massage your child's scalp and feet and their whole body with sesame oil or Brahmi oil. This deeply calms the mind, improves circulation to the brain, and keeps Vata in balance, which is crucial for memory and reduced anxiety. 2 to 3 times a week, make an ojas drink. Blend warm milk, vegan or dairy, with 2 to 3 soaked almonds, a pinch of saffron, half a teaspoon of Brahmi ghee, and a teaspoon of honey. This nourishes ojas, the Ayurvedic essence of immunity, emotional stability, and memory power. These aren't just quick fixes, they are foundations. The kind of habits that makes your child's brain sharper, calmer, more focused. Not just for the week, but for years to come. You don't have to watch your child struggle with poor focus or forgetfulness. With the right food, herbal wisdom, and mindful habits, you can help them blossom into their full brilliance. Start small, stay consistent, and within weeks, you will notice better attention, calmer sleep, and more confidence in learning.